She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
I've been seeing this going around and I was like, okay, let me go ahead and try it. So I'm actually hoping it comes out cute, because I know some people know it was not gonna turn out cute, but I'm hoping for the best, because any day that I choose to wash my hair, I'm always looking for great results, like always. And so today I am doing I tried a Jewellianna Palencia hair tutorial. So I guess let's go ahead and start. Oh, that looks so cute.
Here are my edges to start, and as you can see, they look nothing like they did in the previous clip.
So this is how my hair looks to start. It is freshly washed hair, and you know, these edges, whatever you want to call them, I have no baby hairs. They're just like shorter, but not like as short as most people's, I guess. I don't know, but this is what I'm starting with.
I do, because a lot of people have been asking me. I just washed it, so it's dripping wet. I like to do this on wet hair because it makes it so much easier. My roots are actually drying for some reason faster than the rest of my hair, so I'm gonna re-wet those, because you definitely want to do this on wet hair, dripping wet hair, because it makes it a lot easier to work with.
So I'm just gonna re-wet my hair like she did, because actually the roots did dry quicker. It must be something about that low ponytail, because mine dried quicker too. Alright, so this leave-in conditioner is already tried and true. I already had this one at the crib. To be completely honest with you, I already know this bad boy is gonna work because I've been using it. Come on now. I just smeared that right on my forehead. Okay, so boom, leave-in has been applied. Okay, so then she went in with the Strengthen and Restore Conditioning Shine Gel. So that is what I'm gonna be putting in my hair first. This is my first time using it. Oh shit, oh. Look at the, why is it brown? Why is it brown? Oh my god, it just fell on my leg. Nobody told me it was gonna do that. So what have we learned? To be more careful. So I'm just gonna take this. It's really, oh shit, Taki mushrooms. Look at it. Ew. I'm gonna put it in there though. I'm gonna put it in there. Though it looks absolutely disgusting, it ain't too shabby. At least it don't feel too shabby. I'm applying this generously.
Next, I'm going to be using my Tangle Teaser to smooth my edges and the top of my hair. Just so it can be a lot easier to work with and to reduce the frizz.
I don't think that's gonna work. Okay, let's try it. I don't know. I don't think, okay. Okay. Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It's not going through my whole head of hair, I can tell you that right now. It is not gonna do that. But it is like smoothing the front. Okay. Okay. Yeah, if I try to pull this through my whole head of hair, I would be playing myself like no other. This don't quite look the same as what she had going on, so we're just gonna wet it some more.
I used to do it with just a toothbrush, but that does not give me the optimal best results. So I now use a rat tail comb because this gives me great shape to work. My massive jar of Eco Styler gel. So I'm just gonna apply my gel to my edges.
Ain't no such thing as too generous with this gel, because I'm telling you, these I got unruly hair, man. Just make sure, because if we're gonna be sticking a comb through this bad boy, we better not be playing no games. I feel like the rest of my hair is gonna be frizzy. I had to wet this bad boy like 3 times. How does her hair just stay wet like that? Feeling a little better. Tad bit. I didn't have like 2 mental breakdowns, but we good. I think this is a good place.
I'm just gonna go down like this.
She said just go down.
And then go straight back.
Like that.
And then for the next row, I'm gonna go right underneath where I went straight back. I'm just gonna create a better line there. Okay. So I'm gonna go down, straight down.
She made it look so easy.
And then straight back.
Down. Down.
And then the same for the next row. Down and straight back.
Making that part,
as you guys can see,
joke.
that's a little messy.
Okay.
So I usually go over the parts like each time. So down.
This is not working.
And straight back. Then smooth that section in the back.
I'm gonna add some more gel.
Down. And straight back. And then the third time, down. And straight back.
See, this is already curling back up. I'm telling you, the kinkier the hair, man. The kinkier the hair. Usually I would use this, but she does not use this. But I think it's the only way I'm gonna get these results. Okay. Okay.
Down and straight back.
All right, so what she's doing ain't really working for the kid, and my mom did not raise a quitter, so I'm gonna try a different thing, but I'm gonna go get in the reinforcements, the big time gel, but I still think I can do this. I think I can do this. All right, so I've already deep side parted my hair because this is the way that I'm gonna wear my hair this week, and I'm gonna try this like variation, and I'm only gonna try this side and see if it works that way. So I'm just gonna take the gel and then she didn't use this, but I need it like for my hair. Yeah, I need it. Okay, I don't think this gel is gonna be enough either, so I have my Murray's Edge Wax, and this bad boy, the hold on this is ridiculous, and I think that's exactly what I need. I'm gonna be pretty generous because my hair is difficult. I'm just gonna like work that in, and now I'm gonna see if my hair will let me be great. I honestly did not even think I'd be able to get this far, so I'm just gonna stop and not push my luck. 2 swoops it is. So risky. I'm gonna do it.
Down and straight back.
Okay.
Third time
Queen
down.
Finesser, Queen Finesser, call me by my name or keep it on the playground. The key is I just needed a way stronger hold gel to achieve these results, but I can achieve these results. Good to know. Your girl is fleeky.
Is kind of brush down those edges.
Typically the way that I do it, I'm hoping that my edges will still lay like this. You know what? I don't think this is gonna work. This is the way I'm gonna do it. I make sure that it's looking like I want it and then cover it back up. And I'm gonna leave this bad boy on for 10 minutes. And we gonna see. Okay, so my hair is mostly diffused at this point. When I say mostly, I do mean mostly. See how these edges turned out? It's been about, I don't know, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Oh, we still fleeky. We in this guy. I don't know, I might start doing this more often just to like switch it up, because I don't really switch it up like barely ever. I need a bobby pin so people can see it, see the fleek. Yeah, let me go get a bobby pin. Y'all look, this is so cute. I think it's like a cute little accent to my everyday hairstyle, because this is all I do pretty much. Jewellianna's hair is always fleeky, so let me know if you guys think, you know, I'm kind of close to what she got going on. Like, y'all think that did I go there? Did I go there? Comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. Got a whole lot of new money though. Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot box.